Take
Production.
I'll just show you how tall this bike is. So that's with the seat concept seat. Easily lowers at 2 inches. I could nearly get away with just riding with the seat. I don't have to lower it. But the only thing is you fight a little bit when you stand getting on and off. There you go, in all its glory, stock standard. It's not a bad bulletproof bike. I can't wait to get this thing off road. Okay, let's go. The trick is, if you're short, hold the brake on. You've got to rely on, and then I've got to throw it. So you've got to switch your butt off. Now I'm tippy toeing. Get the stand on, stand up, clutch in, fire her up. Now it does run better than the first one I had because I could start it and it would conk out heaps. So far, so good. Knowing that the bike starts and it just wants to go. Bike update. It's got everything pretty much on the bike except for the Barkbuster hand guards. And there's a bus coming, so I'll just wait for the bus to go past. Front fender's gone on. That's a Polysport front fender. Rad guards in, horn replacements here. So the next video I will be doing the final changeover for the Acebus 14 litre tank. So that's the reason that horn gets put in that position, because the tank won't go on. So that's the workaround. Clutch and brake levers are on. Blinkers are done. Skid plate's done. Lowering link done with the Zeta Performance CNC product. The upgraded rear master brake cylinder for the brake fluid, all in CNC metal in a black finish. That's from NiceCNC, as where the plastic one generally melts. Rear racks are on, B&B Off-Road Engineering. So the only changes due now will be the seat and the tank. The bike's done now about 600 k's. The tyres need to change, they're terrible tyres. There you go, that's a bike update. It's starting to come together. Now let's go for a ride. There you go, you can see the width. And that's why they call it a 4x2. Not only because it's hard to sit on, but it's ridiculously skinny. But that is what dirt bike seats they always look like and be. But now that we transform the bike, it's on the under the side of it, super atomic foam, Sargents, I can't read the rest of it. Cycle Products, North America. So it's an American product, and yeah, it looks like high quality. And let's get this on and see how it fits on. It's already got the foam block, so it'll keep your CPU down, which is a good thing. Okay, we're on. Now I've heard a few stories where others bought the seat concept seat and then they ordered this seat as well, don't know why, they've got money to burn, and they've sent the seat concepts back and reordered another one for their son or friend. That's the beauty of the internet, finding reviews and information so you don't make that costly mistake. I was only fortunate to test ride the seat concept seat and then just think, oh yeah, better try this one instead, just because of the reviews. But out of the bat, feeling the foam and that, you can tell that it's going to be comfortable. So just the 2 bolts, like always for this bike. So I'll go for a ride on this bike today, and my next goal for this bike build is to swap your tank over. Okay, I'll give it a close-up shot of the quality of the seat. So that's the close-up. I'll just press down on the foam. I think that's a winner. We'll see how we go after riding for half an hour. So there you go, that's so far this part of the section of the video, and I'll keep you posted. from the test ride for the seat, I'm pretty happy with how comfortable it is. There's two ways you can test ride a seat. You can either roll the bike through the front door of your home while your girlfriend or your wife's watching television. You grab and you snatch the TV remote, and as you've snatched the TV remote, you park your bike, you hop on like I've just hopped on, you change the channel, and you put on Lord of the Rings. That gives you a good 3 hours of sitting on the bike. The benefit that you don't use any petrol. You're going to save petrol, and at the same time you get to test the comfort of your seat, and you watch Lord of the Rings. But jokes aside, you can get out and test ride your bike properly and enjoy it. So the seat passes the test. I'm out there, you guys. I think the Sargents seat is the far better choice compared to Seat Concepts. Or if you're really budget conscious, you can cut your seat and refoam it and put a new cover on it. But yeah, this works, and you keep the original seat. Okay, so this project so far, people are probably wondering, why the hell would you buy a DRZ? Now, compared to what a Yamaha Tenere or a Honda Transout, mine came down to, as much as those bikes are beautiful bikes, they're too fancy for my needs. This is built for two specific destinations, and that's the desert crossing, which it'll trash the bike, to be honest. It's going to get dropped, it's going to go through a harsh environment, and the other destination's the tip of Australia, Cape York. And I'm happy to do it on this bike, and it all comes down to the Yamaha Tenere and the Transouts and any other type of bike in that category. You're paying $20,000, nearly double the price, and it's just too much of a nicer bike to destroy, and I can enjoy this bike. And the other thing is, there's plenty of parts. And the other last bit point is that I love Suzuki, and I just stick with Suzuki for this YouTube channel. That's what I'm kind of focusing on, Suzuki, and doing these videos. But there you go. The next video will be the Acebus tank install and finish off the sticker, the SKDS, whatever wrap it is, and I'll do hopefully a real professional bike reveal. That's the ultimate goal, and let take Productions up the notch a bit with video quality. So there you go. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and that's where we're up to with the return of the mighty DRZ. Thanks for watching.